Our company has been running since 1984 as a family business. In the beginning, we were engaged in producing transformators. Then we started to improve welding machine production in 1990. In 1994, we moved to the greatest industrial estate of South Pest. Our premise is located in the area of Csepel Industries. Our products are individual innovations which serve all kinds of different industrial purposes, including compact DIY needs as well as industrial welding machines. Since 2001, production has been operating according to the quality assurance system ISO 9001. Our 2013 novelty is the product line of Synerg welding machines, which combine the easy, reliable operation of traditional step switch control instruments and the advantages ensured by the programmable microprocessors. With the improvements, we aimed at helping the work of welders by applying a straightforward and easy-to-operate control panel, as well as providing the possibility of welding based on individual preference settings. Moreover, the Synerg control panel and the connected comprehensive digital equipment assure the display of all parameters specified by the welding technology. The new Bmax Synerg type welding machines are straightforward and easy to use. At the beginning of the welding task, the operator of the machine uses the control panel to set the parameters necessary for completing the work. The first step is to select the material type to be welded and the gas to be applied. This can be carbon steel using CO2 and mixed shielding gas, as well as inox or aluminium. The second parameter to be adjusted is the welding wire size. Available welding wire size options according to material quality: 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2 and 1.6 millimeters. After setting all these parameters, the expectable welding step must be selected using the stepping switch. When the adjustment is completed, the upper display shows the value of the expectable welding current. The flash of the program signer light indicates that the Bmax Synerg control is adjusted to the program belonging to the given setting. If the system finds the preset welding program belonging to the position of the stepping switch, the green LED in the middle is on. The red lights next to it are on if the preset welding program belonging to the position of the stepping switch is missing. When the lower red LED is on, the stepping switch must be set to a higher position, as the selected scale is too low for the applied welding wire. The light of the higher red LED indicates the equipment must be adjusted to a lower scale. Before welding, check if the status of the correction potmeter is in the initial position, that is the 0 value on the Synerg scale. In case the welding conditions indicate, during welding, the correction potmeter provides possibility to correct the programmed parameters ± 30%. The mode adjustment knob on the control panel serves for setting the conventional welding functions. Besides wire threading, gas test, 2-tact mode welding and 4-tact mode welding, spot welding and pulse welding can also be selected. Spot welding time as well as the pause time of pulse welding can be adjusted between 2 to 15 seconds using a separate potentiometer. To give you the perfect welding performance, the gas pre-flow, soft start, burn back and gas post-flow interval can be tuned corresponding to the welding job. After starting the welding job, the upper part of the combined digital volt and ammeter display shows the value of the real-time welding current used. On the lower display, the welding voltage and the wire feeding speed are presented. Initially, the equipment shows the two values alternately. Pressing the button, you can change to see the wire feeding speed or the welding voltage. The chosen function is signaled by the LED, which is placed next to the display. After finishing the welding job, the latest displayed values can be seen for 10 more seconds. If the given job is easier to complete using individual settings, we recommend the manual function. You can proceed with welding in the traditional way using the wire size setting knob in manual position and the correction potmeter manual 1 to 10 scale. Welding modes continue running according to the preset functions. Synerg electronics, innovated by Bmax, aim primarily at serving customer demands on a high level, meanwhile preserving the remarkable welding characteristics of previous machine types, as well as their reliable operation. Improvement hasn't stopped with creating compact welding machines. The isolated wire feeding version of the Synerg controlled separate power source has also been constructed. Bmax has been serving customers for almost a quarter of a century. With the majority of our contracting partners, we have been working in a long-lasting, mutually correct relationship. So we can ensure sustained good quality production, delivery and maintenance. The dominant part of our products is prepared for export commerce in any design requested by our customers. We intend to establish a trustworthy, long-term relationship with our procurers. Depending on the requirements of our customers, we are continuously modernizing the construction, applying the technological opportunities. Synerg electronics, innovated by Bmax, attempt especially to serve customer requirements on a high standard.